it's going to be down here. Oh shit, we're going under a big boy. Do you have a big plane right here we're going under?
Nope.
Oh man. Yeah, we're going under Cathay Pacifica or something Pacific. Yeah, see little hangars and then an office right here. Cars.
Yes.
And
Yeah, a little bit.
so I tell you what, let's park over here. I'm going to go around these hangars and piss somebody off. We're not from here. Alrighty. And there are no off knobs on these that I could really see.
For what?
Push-pull knob there for off. There's no like push-pull knobs on these GPSs and stuff.
Well, the round one that says C as in Charlie should be your power, but it doesn't work.
Yeah, that just changes my channel.
Yep. Should be.
Yeah, you see there's no off on this one down here that I see. Any of this stuff. So that's kind of disappointing.
Unfortunately, no.
I'll shut down all my lights, which isn't working because my panels aren't working again for some reason.
So I'm not seeing that. Okay, avionics is off.
Yeah, see, those work.
Oh.
And now I'm going to pull out my mixture. Clean cut off. And shut her off. There we go. And I forgot to put my flaps up. Damn it.
Okay.
There we go.
Well, we'll pick up here and head on to Millard next time.
Sounds good, sir. Thank you for flying with Tull Air. It'll be scorch aired next time.
Copy.
All right, brother.
Get out of here. How do I get out? Select, go to airport.
Well, you probably want to go up to plugins.
And
Click on the toggle GUI window.
Well, I can't do that.
Disconnect.
I'm just trying to just exit the
Sim itself.
simulator. Yeah, and I don't think I can do that with the headset on. So just give me a second here. I got to take the headphones off and then the headset.
No problem.
Alright, I got the headphones back on. I can go back to the X-Play menu and exit. Well, that was fun.
Yeah, it was a blast. And I'm going around the plane right now, and the reflection on the glass is incredible on the plane.
Well, it's 4:30. I gotta go to bed.
Good night, sir.
Alright, see ya.
Bye.
Bye.
User disconnected from your channel.